Okay, we have a MacBook Air. It's a no power and it's urgent. So this is an A1466. Says urgent. It's a no dead. Says dead. Urgent. Let's put this aside. Okay, let's see what we're dealing with before we connect our charger. Remember, first thing we want to do, I'm using a pentalobe screwdriver, P5. Before you connect your charger, make sure you have an idea of the state of the device to avoid creating any additional damage to the device. So first thing we want to do is we want to take out the back cover and then we can proceed. So, okay, what we want to do now is we want to connect our charger, see if we have a fan spin. Okay, that's a quarter fan spin. Fan was just about to spin. Okay, and then there you have it, full fan spin. Okay, and you have a chime. Okay, so now let's shut it down. Try that again. Shut it down. Let's try that again. The power is on. We'll try that for the last time. Okay, let's shut it down. Try that again. Okay, so what we want to do now in a situation like this, it may be an intermittent issue. So what you want to do to find out why it came and it says no power, so you want to check out the logic board to see if there is any section that could cause it to behave intermittently. I want to find out if any section of the board could cause it to behave intermittently, which will result in sometimes the machine starts and other times it will not start. We want to, because we don't just want to give it back to say, oh no, the device has no issue, whereas it is an intermittent, because you guys saw the thing the first time. The fan tried to spin and then stopped and then tried again. So that behavior, it's not, that is not a behavior of a 20, this is a 2015-2017 logic board and the board number is 820-00165. How did I know that? How did I know it's a 2015-2017? It's because of the JTAG. The JTAG for 2015 and 2017 are small, while JTAGs for 2012, 2013, 2014 are big. So that is one way you can easily tell. The model numbers are all the same thing across from 2012 up until 2017 MacBook Airs 13 inches. They all A1466. So model number is not really going to help you tell. The serial number, however, may give you a hint. The last 4 digits may give you a hint as to what year the machine is. But at board level, and before you take the logic board out, so those are the JTAG. It's an easy spot to tell if this is a 2013-14 or 2015-17, and this is a 2017. One of the ways you can also tell that is because the configuration is going to be 1.8 gigahertz, the 2015 usually will be 1.6. And also the webcam processor, which is this, is gonna take the shape of a memory. It looks like a it almost not the shape. It almost looks like a memory chip, even and also looks very similar to an SMC. But the older design, the 2015, most of it they use a design that looks like a PCH. So the board is out. Let us take an overview of the board to find out what could possibly be the reason for it. Uh, okay. Okay, so I see why now. I see why. Uh, it's a bit of a corrosion. Let's open the board view, show you guys what I saw. Uh, it's a 0100165 here. So there is a bit of corrosion in this section. U1930. What is U1930? I'm just going to show you guys what that is. It is 00165 00165. Uh, okay, opening up the schematic. Let's go back to the board view. Is it opening? Okay, the schematic is open. Now let's go to the board view. So U1930, let's see what is U1930. Now that's not our board view. Okay, yeah, U1930. U1930. We're searching for U1930 now. So U1930, it's a VCCST for 1.5 volt SO. So this is a critical rail, and we definitely, this section is definitely important. And obviously, uh, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. So here, I don't know if you guys can see, there's a bit of liquid underneath there. So that is why this is misbehaving. So what we want to do is we want to replace that so that we do not have an intermittent working board. So if I had given it back to just say, oh no, the machine has no issue. So imagine they take this and in a day or two it comes back to say, oh, the machine is still not working. So that's why you take it out, take out your board and just to be sure. The chip is out. I'm just gonna show you guys. See here. That is it. So that is see. It's a bit of corrosion in it. So what you want to do now is we want to clean it up and replace it. Now let's get another board to get that chip out. Are you taking off of this board? Okay, we have it here. Okay, we're installed. Now we want to clean that section of the board. Trying to clean the area where we walk. It's not ideal to have an unkept uh, you don't want to leave flux on your board. Okay, now let's see if we have uh, chargers connected. And let's see if we have a fan spin. Let's hope we do. That's a fan spin. Let's see if we will have a display. Okay, that's a backlight. Let's see if we have an Apple logo. That is an Apple logo. Okay, and that's it, guys. Thank you. Now we'll move on to our next repair. So this is complete. This is just going to get put aside for the guys to do the test, and this can then go back to the client. So thank you, guys. See you in the next video.